Welcome to the introduction of BOP. During this training, you'll learn about BOP, Business Owner Policy. The training is scenario-based, which means you'll walk through real-world situations. You'll find interactions throughout the training. Some will be self-initiated, while others will be required tasks before the lesson will advance. The program is designed to introduce you to the business insurance through a simulated teacher-trainee environment. The conversation between the trainer and the trainee will discuss the topics and introduce you to concepts and ultimately an interview with a potential client. We will point out the advantages and disadvantages of a specific policy that is being discussed along the way. We'll also highlight key things that you need to remember either with sales tips or with notes. Occasionally the teacher will bring you back to the whiteboard to discuss an issue a little bit further. Now, throughout this training, you'll have key tools that you can go ahead and use to find out a little bit more about some of the topics that we're discussing. One of those key tools is the glossary. Occasionally, what you'll notice is that the glossary button will appear, and you can click on it and find out a term that we happen to be discussing that you may not be familiar with. During this training, the learning objectives are relatively easy. You'll find out about BOP eligibility. You'll learn more about the policy makeup. We'll talk about the ISO business owner's coverage. We'll also show you how to gather necessary information. We'll show you how to do needs analysis, and we'll demonstrate addressing customers' needs.
I think we should begin by having you learn a few fundamentals. The business owner's policy is referred to by most agents and companies as a BOP policy. A BOP is the equivalent of a homeowner's policy for small businesses. It is a package of coverages just like a homeowner's policy. It can cover the building, the contents, loss of income, and liability.
Is it rated like homeowners?
It's rated exactly like a homeowner's policy. At this stage, you're going to complete an ACORD application, which will help you gather all of the data needed to effectively quote the account. With most of your carriers, you're going to quote the account directly in their system.
Now, I hope we've met our learning objectives. However, if you want to go ahead and continue the course, you can go ahead and press Explore and just go into different areas of the course. If you want to take the course over, click Start Over and it'll start you from the beginning. If you want to exit the course, merely click Exit.